If you are a car owner, a generator user, tricycle user, motorcycle user, a mechanic, or fleet manager, this message is for you. How to know your engine oil. How to know your engine oil is very important. Now, the first thing to do is to check your manual. Be it your car manual, your generator manual, your tricycle manual, or your motorcycle manual. The first thing is to check your manual. But if you don't have your manual, again, for car owner, go straight to your vehicle. Open the bonnet. Go straight to the oil fill cover. Look at it. The recommended engine oil is always written on the oil fill cover. For example, you may see something like 0W20, 5W20, 5W30, 5W40. That is the recommended engine oil viscosity specified by the original equipment manufacturer. Take note of that number. Make sure you buy the recommended engine oil specified by the original equipment manufacturer. Be it a car, a motorcycle, a generator. Do not allow anyone to convince you, because if you fail to use the right engine oil, the recommended engine oil by the original equipment manufacturer, that alone can affect the engine overall performance, which could lead to serious damage to all the moving parts. Do not allow anybody to deceive you. You have to use the recommended engine oil as specified by the original equipment manufacturer. But if you check the oil fill cover and the number is not there, you can reach out to me in the comment section. What I don't need from you is the vehicle made and the year the vehicle was produced. With those two information, I can recommend an engine oil for you in line with the original equipment manufacturer standard. If you fail to use the right engine oil with the right, if you fail to use the right engine oil for your vehicle, you will cause your vehicle a serious issues that will lead to breakdown. One of the issues is engine will overheat. If you use a fake engine oil, or if you use oil that was not recommended for your vehicle, the engine will overheat. Because one of the functions of the engine oil is to absorb heat and to take away heat from the moving parts of the vehicle. So if you use a wrong engine oil, the engine oil will not be able to absorb heat, and the engine oil will not be able to carry away heat, which will lead to engine overheating. Another thing is knocking sound. You will be hearing knocking sound in the vehicle because of lack of what? Lubrication. You will be hearing that knocking sound. Another thing, there will be a lot of sludge formation. Sludge formation. Those that look like those muddy substance will build up in the vehicle. And those mud formation, those sludge formation can block the oil passage, which will lead to oil starvation. And once there's oil starvation, what happens? There will be what? There will be friction. Because one of the duty of the oil is to what? Is to reduce friction, to avoid what? Wear. So once there's oil starvation, there will be what? Excessive what? Friction, which will accelerate wear. Another thing is what? Your filter will be clogged. Your filter will be what? Will be clogged. And once your filter is clogged, what happens? The filter will not have the ability to screen the oil before the oil enter what? The engine. So all the dirt will move straight to your engine. Another thing, another effect of using a wrong engine oil is thermal degradation. The oil will break down at operating temperature, which will lead to slug, as I've said, which will lead to a varnish. And those things can destroy your engine. Those things can destroy your engine. So it is good to follow the recommended engine oil for your vehicle. Do not overlook it. And do not allow anybody to deceive you. Do not allow any mechanic to deceive you. You have to consult a specialist or a knowledgeable mechanic to look the vehicle, or you yourself check the manual, know the recommended engine oil, buy the recommended engine oil, and use the recommended engine oil. Is for your own benefit. Because the cost of maintaining a car here in Nigeria is very, very expensive. So I sell engine oil also. We sell engine oil, energy direct engine oil, fully synthetic engine oil, 100% virgin based oil. If you use the oil, you go confirm it. I can wheel it to you wherever you are in Nigeria. Just DM me, tell me your location. I will send to you. Just try it. Virgin. The base oil is 100% virgin. And it has a lot of additives that will prevent oxidation, that will prevent sludge formation. And it has good solvency. That is the ability of the oil to suspend dirt and to also carry away what? Dirt. So in my next video, I will explain those numbers that are written on the engine fill cover or valve cover. I will explain those numbers to you in my next video. So follow and like for more updates. Thank you.